Hey guys, how's it going? Andy Patlan out here in our latest remodel project out in San Antonio, in the heart of San Antonio, right outside of West Avenue and Jackson Keller. As always, I like to show you guys the before, the during, and the after. Well, we've got the after. We've got a beautiful remodel, completely done inside and out. We listed it today at $179,900. We picked this project up for $102,000, guys. $102,000. We've got our market for $179,900. We expect the market to bring us close to what we're looking for or what we're looking for. Let me show you what we have inside. This gorgeous remodel project. Our contractor just did a fabulous job on this. Completely remodeled up to the orange doors that pop. Okay, but look at this. Gorgeous, gorgeous on the inside, guys. Completely retextured, repainted, new baseboard, new light fixtures, textured from the ceilings to the walls. We left this partition here, okay, to kind of give it the character of that mid-century modern. This is a 1,256 square foot house, 1959 year build, 3-bedroom, 2-bath. And what you see here is just the modernized touches that we need to put so we can get this property sold fast. Again, more of that texture here. And in the kitchen, we always say kitchens, baths, floors are what sells. In the kitchen, we go with a granite countertop. Again, more texture on the kitchen. We put a new vent hood up here, okay? More of this backsplash. Okay, my contractor really likes to use this backsplash on most of his projects. And look at the floor, guys. Beautiful floor. We've got this wood tile. It mimics a wood tile. Hard tile, mimics wood, I should say. But let me show you the best, one of the best features of the house, which is a media room. That was an old dark room with wood paneling. We went in there and took out that wood paneling, ripped out that wood paneling, and put in some new textured walls. This is gorgeous. Get ready for this. This is where the money's at. Huh? Look at this. Beautiful media room. Hang up your 68-inch, 72-inch big screen TV here. Put some speakers here. Put some shelves for some family photos. But guys, this was an old dark room, wood paneling, really bad carpet. We came in here and put some life into it. My contractor really did a great job. This bedroom was a 3rd bedroom, and you actually have to access this bedroom by going through another room just to get into this room. But we closed off that wall. You got to see that before footage. And now we've got a nice little 10 by 10 room with a beautiful closet, okay? We've got beautiful elongated closet that goes side to side. So plenty, and again, more of the new light fixtures here. Mid-century modern, bring it to you. Put some epoxy on. There's no detail spared, okay? We put some epoxy on the patio. Look at this gorgeous backyard. You're not gonna get this in some of the new cookie cutter houses, new cookie cutter subdivisions that are out there right now. Guys, this thing is ready for market. It took us a little over 6 weeks, 8 weeks to put it on market, but we are ready to go, listing at $179,900. Guys, we had to come in here and close this wall off. And you had to access that 3rd bedroom through this bedroom, which nobody really likes. It leaves very little privacy. We closed it off, and as you can see, we have a new access point over there for that 3rd bedroom. This thing was a mess. I can't even tell you. You'll see that before footage, and it is unbelievable what we were able to do with this bathroom, guys. Look at this. Gorgeous bathroom. You've got the tile, the subway tile strips. You've got the hard tile in the back. Okay, you've got the full wood tile on the flooring. This is the master bedroom, master bath, and some of the same finishing touches. New windows, and we even left a little bit of the past just to kind of give it some of that retro feel. Okay, a little space heater there. You got a little shower there. Again, you've got the new tile, new sink, new floor. Guys, if this is the type of stuff you want to get into, if this is the business that you've always wanted to see yourself doing, please call me. I want to be your real estate agent. I'm a real estate broker, 15 years in the business. Andy Patlan, call me, 512-784-0048. Hablamos español.